Now it's time to find some solutions. But we will not be doing any brainstorming, shouting over each other, and all that mess that comes with traditional brainstorming. We will sketch. We believe sketching is the easiest way to transform abstract ideas into concrete solutions. As they say, picture is worth 1,000 words. Also, sketching allows your team to work alone, which allows them to do some research and find the right inspiration. But it also puts a little bit more pressure and responsibility on each individual to put their best foot forward. Finally, sketching will allow the team to develop parallel ideas, but also avoid the dreaded groupthink. Remember to assure your team that their sketches shouldn't be masterpieces. They're not expected to be Van Gogh or Picasso. They just need to use whatever to get their ideas across. Whether it's words, boxes, stick figures, arrows, anything just to get the idea across. There are 4 steps in this exercise: notes, ideas, crazy eights or speedy eights, and solution sketches. Each of these steps will feature its own video. See you in the next video.